Hey there, sailor. Every summer, me and my best friend like to go floating down the river. Kevin, I can't figure out why you're single. The unicorn just wasn't safe enough. So I decided to buy this giant canoe off Craigslist. I wonder if I can get a discount since it's leaking. This landing ship tank is seriously awesome. They used it on D-Day to get rid of Hitler's stupid looking mustache. Let's check it out. This ship has what looks like the world's first compact computer, the Liberty Bell, and my favorite singer. It was time to drop the anchor, because this thing only gets 7 gallons per mile? We were ready to do some more exploring.
They were glad to be here because the Americans were here.
I even found the leak. Hey there, sailor. A few years ago, me and my best friend went on a cruise with my family. But one of his triplet sisters felt like messing with him and told their 196-year-old grandma that we were gay for each other.
Wow!
So on the cruise, I kept smacking his butt and saying, "Hey there, sailor." And still to this day, hey there, sailor. Okay, back to the tour. If you ever get sick in northern Kentucky. Pew, 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 pew. Oh wow, 35 life jackets. They've got enough to give one to every Reds fan. The guy standing next to me said it stands for Let's Save Trump.
Don't.
You could end up in World War III.
Don't.
You know what the N-word is?
Well, all good things must come to an end. That was fun and all, but I got crap to do. Hey there, sailor.
Oh, how nice. Do you wear them very much?
I do. I do.
That's the first time I ever saw you wear a pair.
Yeah, well, now it's getting cooler now, so I can.
Oh, how
really
many
wear
pair
them.
you have?
I have a couple pair of jeans like these.
You know, birthday or from your mother?
Just like a gift.
What's the
that I
name
got
brand?
myself. These are Calvin Klein.
Huh?
Calvin Klein.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Wow!